Hello, grade 8 learner. Welcome to another mathematics lesson. In this video, we will be discussing how to solve for the measures of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Based on the K-12 curriculum learning competency, the learner solves corresponding parts of congruent triangles. It's a great day to learn, so prepare your pen, paper, and module as you start watching and learning from this video lesson. Happy learning! Refer to your Quarter 3 Math module entitled Solving Corresponding Parts of Congruent Triangles for this lesson. In this example, let us solve for the value of x as shown in the figure. To begin, first we must observe the figure. Given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE, let us identify the parts which have the same hash marks. Here, we could see that line segments AB and CD have the same hash marks. Let us process what we know. When we identify the parts with the same hash marks, we are identifying congruent parts in the triangles. And since sides AB and CD have the same hash mark, then that means they are congruent and will have the same measurements. Let us solve. Now that we know that sides AB and CD have the same measurements, we are going to represent that relation through the equation the measure of segment AB is equal to the measure of segment CD. Next, we substitute the measures of sides AB and CD according to what is given in the figure. Side AB measures 2x plus 5, which is equal to the measure of CD, which is 3x plus 4. From here, we apply what we've learned in algebra. To solve for x, we will have to transpose 3x from 3x plus 4 so that we put together the terms with x. On the other side, we put together constants, so we transpose 5 from 2x plus 5. If we simplify the equation by subtracting 3x from 2x and 5 from 4, we get the resulting equation, negative x is equal to negative 1. Because we need x to be positive, we multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1 so that when we multiply negative x with negative 1, we get a positive x. But since we also multiply negative 1 with negative 1, that gives us a result of positive 1, which is equal to x. Let us now state our conclusions. Given the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE, we solve for the value of x in the measures of sides AB and CD. Through an application of algebraic methods, and because the measure of side AD is equal to the measure of side CD, we solve that the value of x is equal to 1. Congratulations for finishing this video lesson. Now apply what you've learned by answering the activities in the activity sheet. Happy learning! We'll see you again in our next video lesson.